Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are giving you a tour of Port Henderson Road. Now this road is also known as Back Road. Now the previous member of parliament wanted to convert this road into basically a hip strip, a Las Vegas type corridor. Now the current MP wants to turn it into a more family oriented area. So we are going to go through an article that goes through this in more information. Now, this area sits on the Kingston Harbour. To the right of us is the Kingston Harbour. And it has a lot of potential in terms of being a hip strip. Now, the kind of hip strip, a family oriented one or a Las Vegas oriented one, is what has changed. But nonetheless, this area should see some major development because of its location. Portmore, once notorious as Jamaica's most well-known red light district, Port Henderson Road, popularly called Back Road, is now the focus of renewed discussions about transformation and redevelopment. Plans to turn the bustling nightlife stretch into a modern hip strip have gained both attention and debate as community leaders, business owners, and policymakers weigh how best to redefine the area's image and economy. Originally proposed under former Member of Parliament Robert Miller, the idea was to recreate the Back Road corridor as a vibrant leisure and tourism zone, a space with upgraded infrastructure, new restaurants, art walks, brick-paved streets, and a family-friendly entertainment scene. Miller described his vision as Jamaica's Las Vegas, a glowing corridor of light and activity designed to draw both locals and visitors. The plan aimed to reposition Portmore as a tourism gateway for Kingston, capitalizing on its coastal scenery, seafood restaurants, and entertainment culture. However, the ambitious plan met challenges. Residents and faith-based groups voiced concern that the Las Vegas-style image might clash with community values and reinforce that area's long-standing association with nightlife. Others noted that before any transformation could take shape, basic infrastructure upgrades such as improved roads, drainage, water supply, and vendor facilities were essential. When Dr. Dawes succeeded Miller as Member of Parliament in 2025, the focus of the redevelopment began to shift. Dawes emphasized that while development is welcome, it must be grounded in community needs and sustainable progress. Instead of emphasizing nightlife and flashy attractions, his version of the project centers on revitalizing the fishing village, supporting local vendors, and building safer, cleaner facilities that can appeal to families, tourists, and residents alike. Local business owners remain hopeful. Many along Back Road operate restaurants, seafood shacks, and entertainment spots that already attract large weekend crowds. They see the coastline and vibrant atmosphere as natural assets for the future hip strip, one that could blend local culture, food, and entertainment with a cleaner, more organized environment. If successful, the transformation of Back Road could become a model for how Jamaica reimagines urban spaces, once defined by stigma, turning them into vibrant, inclusive hubs of culture, food, and entertainment that reflect the best of Jamaican creativity and resilience. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.